In this video, I'm going to show you how to add family members to your profile details in Facebook. First, click Edit Profile, then go all the way down, then click Edit Your About Info, then scroll down, and then you will see here Family Members. So click Add Family Member, and then click here. Now you want to put the name of your family members, so let's just put some random names here just to test it. James, Helen. Then you can click Add James Helen, and then you want to put it as whether it's a brother or whatever. You could also adjust the privacy here. Now you want to click Save, and just like that you have added a family members to your profile details. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.